EcoFlow Delta 1300 with 110-watt solar panel bundle. The Delta 1300 power station represents the new standard of battery-powered generators. Compatible with a wide range of devices, you can stay powered for hours whenever and wherever. Recharge 0% to 80% within 1 hour. EcoFlow Patent X-Stream technology empowers Delta 1300 to recharge at 10 times the speed of most portable power stations in the market. 6x1800 WAC outlets and 1,260 watt-hours capacity. The large inverter load enables Delta 1300 to power most home appliances and heavy-duty DIY tools under 1800W, 3300W surge, pure sine wave, with 1,260 watt-hours capacity. Fastest recharge by solar and car. Delta 1300 can be fully recharged by solar panels in about 4 hours, and fully charged through a 12/24 volt carport less than 10 hours. Power 13 devices simultaneously. Delta 1300 fits with every port you'll ever need to power any devices anywhere, so you will always feel right at home. Our verdict: the best solar power station on the market. A total game changer for camping.